We'll guide you through how to add a Wix Events Calendar to your website. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your Wix dashboard and look for the Apps section on the left-hand menu. Click on it and then search for Wix Events in the App Market. Once you find it, click on Add to install the Wix Events app to your site. After installation, you'll be prompted to set up your first event. You can enter all the details like the event name, date, time, location, and any other relevant information. You can also choose whether your event is a one-time event or a recurring event. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, click Save. To display the events calendar on your site, go to the page where you want the calendar to appear. Click on Add in the Wix editor, then navigate to Events and select Event Calendar. Drag and drop the calendar onto your page and adjust its size and position as needed. You can customize the design and settings of the calendar to match your site's theme by clicking on it and selecting Settings. Here, you can choose between different views like monthly, weekly, or daily views. You can also decide whether to show event details on hover or on click. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, click Publish to make your events calendar live on your website. This allows your visitors to easily see upcoming events and register if needed. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.